G'day YouTube, welcome back to my channel, another video and another Trident Maple. I'm just trying to get through all my Trident Maples. It's November now, so I'm trying to get through all my trimming up of my maples and so on before the summer hits. And once summer hits, I'll be doing all my pines. So it's a schedule I try and follow, trying to make sure I maintain my trees and have enough time to do and work on all of them. This tree you've seen before, it's really nice, big, fat, huge base. Good thing with this tree, I think, it is starting to lend itself maybe towards a more deciduous looking tree. Now it's still in development and still trying to get some branching happening and so on, but I like some of this, I like the two trunks. There's two nice big trunks here. You can see those two, bang, bang. And I'm developing a lot of the other branching, so there's more trunks starting to happen and more branching starting to happen. So this tree isn't too much about me trimming this up, but showing you how I'm trying to disrupt the triangular looking version of this tree. Having more trunks, trying to develop more trunks. This one's going to be important. It's coming out of here, so that could be another trunk in the middle. My branches are going in the fan shaped direction, so maybe this area I'll try and trim a little bit just to keep it in check. I don't want it to get too long. This branch, you can see me trying to develop this really long branch here, trying to get that's the only one I'm trying to get more weeping and then coming back up like a deciduous tree doing. But yeah, it'd be good if I had some lower branching just to break another one, but there's nothing there. Maybe it'll mean approach grafting a branch there in the future if I don't get anything popping. But yeah, this is doing well. Just want to keep the top maintained a little bit. I don't want that to get too out of control. And I'm hoping, by just keeping that little bit in control, I won't touch this branch here because it's started down here and I want to grow another trunk. But anything that's growing on a trunk already, I want to try and keep shorted. So you can see it's kind of developing that. I'm trying to push it out. Yeah. There's a nice branch in here that could develop into it's starting down here, could develop into a nice trunk as well. This one's kind of filling in the back area. That's okay too. So leave you alone, just work through. Some of this is getting too heavy already. Like, it's really quite heavy, this tree, the branches at the top. But at least they're going in the right direction for me. So you can kind of now make out, maybe you can potentially see how this tree will develop. Nice big foliage mass out here, nice big foliage mass out here. There'll be another trunk, maybe another foliage mass, bit of a foliage mass at the back. Sorry about that. Someone rang my phone and I had to stop the video. So where was I? I was talking about, so this tree you could probably make out what's happening. It is a bit two-dimensional still. So I just want to make sure I try and get a bit more three-dimensional, so you can probably see it's a bit two-dimensional. But having another trunk, this guy, maybe into this area here, we can start to develop better areas. This guy will fill out, maybe something at the back. Yeah, ideally just in here, there's something needs to happen in here, but we'll see how we go. We could develop that into a more tree. But yeah, it's not a bad tree. I think it's got a lot of, even though it's got a big base, it's got two main areas up the top, possibly third, fourth, a fifth area hopefully. So maybe 5 areas to work around, 5 trunks to work into. So that's this tree. I'm not going to trim it too much more. There's nothing really else to trim on this tree. I'm just going to try and let it develop, feed it, water it, let it enjoy the sunshine, and let it enjoy the spring. So another quick little short video, but it's important to note that each tree needs to be. You need to look at your trees regularly. Each one. Don't just let them sit there in the garden. Even though they're developing, you need to really think about how to work at them. How to improve them all the time. And it's my development. The trees that I'm developing, like they are in development, not in refinement. So these trees are in development. I want to try and disrupt them and make them more natural looking. And that's what I'm trying to do here today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Nice short one for you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe and hit the little bell icon if you haven't already. Thanks guys, bye.